Hey everybody, welcome back to Going Ballistic. We are back out on the range and super excited for this video. Okay, so what we got today, so I've seen a lot of videos where people have shot 55-gallon drums full of water and they explode pretty good. Well, we wanted to try a test of 3 different barrels. So we got this really nice whiskey barrel here. No, it's not full of whiskey. It'd be cool if it was, but it's not. It's full of water. So we got this one full of water. We have a steel one that we're going to shoot as well. And then right back over here behind Mr. Justin, we have a plastic one. We want to see just which one is the best for holding together. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some soap in them so it can give a little pressure. So we want to get as much carnage as we can. And what we got is we got these 3 50 BMG. These are spotter tracer rounds. These are kind of cool. These have a little cap in the front. I'm not sure what they're filled with to make them go boom. I need some of you smart guys. Let us know in the comment what is actually in these spotter tracer rounds. Okay, so we are all set up. These are all filled with water. We are ready to rock and roll. Let's do this, Justin.
So first barrel that we're going to destroy is going to be the plastic one with these spotter tracers. I think we're only about 40 yards back, maybe. I don't know what that converts to in meters. Chris will do that for me. Yeah, I'm hoping for a nice skadoosh. Oh, I should have took my Imitrex today. Here we go. Oh, man. That's some good carnage. Clear.
Whew, that was awesome, man. Freaking lifted that barrel up on the high speed. You could see it just boom, just like that. Made that noise too. Boom. Hear that? There's the hole in the front, the silent but deadly sound. So there's where Justin hit right here, dead center. And of course, the back. Well, we're not going to have any fires today with these spotter tracers, thank God. So, whew, just split this thing from freaking top to bottom. Yeah, all the way top to bottom. It looks like something did exit. I don't know, we could see if there's any jacket or something in here, Justin. Turn this over.
Why is it so muddy?
You know,
On the proper range.
we're trying to keep the fire danger down, so we thought we'd shoot water with rounds that go boom.
Instead of whiskey?
Yeah. Drank all that whiskey last night. There we go. Look at that. Score, bruh. Score.
You can tell it's a 50 cal jacket because of the way it is.
Because of the way it is. Yeah, absolutely.
She's a beaut, Clark.
That is cool. Found the jacket. I don't know. Is that part of it? It's really clean. No, I don't know. I've never seen the inside of one of these rounds, so.
It totally looks like the inside, like the boat tail part.
I don't know. Again, our bullet experts, I know you guys have probably had some of this stuff apart. Let us know if that little piece there is part of it. That's pretty cool. It was right on top of the dirt here. It's nice and clean. At first it looks like an aluminum 9mm, but if you look at that tip there, that is definitely not it. Yeah, see, it fit right there perfectly. Whatever. Okay, cool. Well, we are gonna do the steel one now. Let's do it. Let's rock and roll.
So it looks like the scope was actually on. Almost all of our optics are off a good bit. So again, spotted tracer into the steel barrel. Let's get ready to chooch it. So make sure you subscribe. All right, let's see if we can lift this barrel. Oh, it didn't do much, but it did jump a little. Clear.
So Justin hit right on target. It's kind of hard to miss these from 40 yards away. Hit right here. Nice shot right there. Didn't mess up the Going Ballistic logo. That was really nice paint job from some idiot called Chris. Anyways, moving on. Here is the back. That thing blew out big time. Justin, when I missed the turning the high-speed camera off, he's all like, well, maybe we could try some Flex Seal tape. But I don't think that's gonna work on this one hole, Justin.
It's a big one.
It's a big one. Anyway, so we seen on the other slow motion camera, the dust got kicked up, and we actually did find the back end this time of the round. So that's the back of it. So we're assuming that cup piece that we found on the first one fits in here. Let's see if there's anything else we can feel down in the barrel. Nope, nothing.
Watch out for them sharp edges.
Yeah, I know.
Look how it peeled it all the way back.
I know. That is not something we did. That is exactly what happened. Very cool. Well, I'm super excited to shoot this whiskey barrel here. Just see what it does. I think it's gonna hold together very well, or it's just gonna explode. So let's do it.
So again, spotted tracer, but this time we're shooting the super fancy whiskey barrel. Kind of hurts my heart a little bit. It's a gorgeous barrel, but this is for science. So we have to know. We have to. So I'm trying to aim for the steel band that's on the barrel. But again, I don't know how accurate this thing is right now at this distance. We're always just winging it.
Go for it.
Running proper specs on head spacing all the time, because safety first, right? Oh man, that was cool. I don't think I hit the band at all, but that was still awesome. Clear.
That was fantastic. I stopped the high speed this time. That was so cool to see every seam, the water come out, every seam, and the top blew off. That was fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, that smells really good in there. Had whiskey. I have to try some of that. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was freaking cool. That's what it did to the back. Looks like a round came out, but that might be hard to find. Don't know. It's kind of a mess back there. I know you guys are saying, hey man, you should get a metal detector. Well, it's all full of metal. Let's see if there's anything in it, Justin.
We're good.
Oh, I see something. There it is. Check it out.
Find it?
Yeah, it's all there in the bottom.
Strip gold.
Cool, I'm going in. Pretty cool.
Get some intros of songs in there.
You could, man. It's got a good acoustics in it. All right, here we go. So here's everything we recovered from the inside of the whiskey barrel. This being the backside of the projectile. This is the tracer side. And it has this little cup in there. I hope one of you guys can really give us a breakdown of these things. So that piece there was the first round. That's all we found was a jacket. And then this was the second round. So we know this piece, Justin, didn't go in there because there's a piece of steel in there. I guess so it doesn't light it off. The tracer doesn't light it off. Keep them separate. That's awesome. And then this is just a solid ball of lead, but this one isn't. So I don't know. Again, you bullet experts out there, let us know how these things are put together. Send us a picture if you got one. If you got any of these things dissected, that's awesome. Well, that was super cool. Thank you guys so much. Thanks to our patrons. Oh, this is awesome, man. This is like my favorite slow motion shot of all times right here. Well, I don't know. The one of the tracer round going through the zombie in the last video was pretty cool. So thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate your support. We'll be back.